programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
5 things that I will put in my bag before earthquake. Hi guys, first that we put in our bag is this first aid kit. So we put it. Next that I will put is my clothes. And next that I will put is flashlight to see the surroundings if no lights. And next is water. If we have no water, we can drink it together. And the last is foods. Foods, guys. And now your bag is prepared for the earthquake. Thank you.